Hi there, I'm Vicky, one of the dedicated course advisors here at Accountancy Learning. Today I'm here to share 3 awesome benefits of our Self Study Extra course packages. The Self Study Extra package is a package with Accountancy Learning that allows you to study the AAT on your own without the help of a tutor. It's as simple as that. Benefit 1, cost-effective learning. Our Self Study Extra package is not only the most cost-effective option available, but we also offer interest-free payment plans. There are very few training providers out there who offer self-study as an option for AAT. For those that do, they don't offer as much as we do with this package and price. Benefit 2. On the self-study package, you get a lot more than just access to the online learning platform and textbooks. As a token of appreciation for choosing us, you get free access to exclusive resources, including the Xero Advisor Certification, Mercia online skills courses, and Microsoft Word and Excel, the online version. We've partnered up with Mercia, one of the UK's leading providers of training and support services to the UK accountancy profession, to offer a selection of online skills training modules for all of our AAT distance learning students for no extra charge. We hope they will enable you to put some of your studies into context and help you to apply them in the workplace. Benefit 3, you're our student. Finally, and most importantly, you're not just a student, you're part of our community. From day one, we prioritise your success. While we can't assist with study-related questions, we're here for everything else, from guidance on exams to AAT membership queries.